Today we are fitting a 09Design gear knob to a Mark 7 Fiesta ST. So firstly, to remove the standard gear knob, they can be very stiff. Be careful when you get to the end because there is a spring inside. It shouldn't ping off, but there you go. Okay, so standard knob, that out of the way. Next you need the adapter from your 09 kit, so make sure the spring stays in place and the adapter is over the top. Then using a 10mm socket or spanner, just give it a nip. Don't hang on it, don't over tighten it, it is aluminium. So next we have the collar, and then the knob itself. So position the collar where you want it. Our recommendation is for the 09 logo to face back, and then simply tighten the top. Check the function, make sure the reverse lockout works okay, and you're good to go.